Hi guys, I am back. We are going to do a kind of fast Great Gatsby makeup, not really tutorial, just like here, let's look at this. I have a gig tonight. It is not a belly dance gig, but excuse me, I am eating cereal and I got a flake in my throat. It is a psychic gig. I'll be doing tarot cards. I know it's not belly dancing, but it is makeup and it's themed. It's Great Gatsby themed, and I've actually never done a Great Gatsby theme before. So again, we're experimenting. I hope it comes out okay. And like I said, I'm eating cereal because I'm really bad at like timekeeping. So I did a bunch of other things, but I haven't eaten yet. So I'm just kind of like multitasking. Okay, so usually I do primer on my eyelids first. But I've been doing concealer just because I go through these like phases of what I like to do. So we're going back with that Tarte that I did in the other video, light medium sand on the eyelids, and we'll see if that works okay. Okay, I've actually never done this on a camera. I have a mirror, so I'll look at a mirror and then I'll show the camera. I think that's the best way to go. Let's move this over here. That was silly. Okay, so, and yeah, hopefully, since this is not like a going live or like an immediate upload on YouTube, I don't know how this is going to be edited. I'm not an editing person. I've never actually played with any of those apps. So like I said, this is a journey, all of us together. We'll figure it out and it'll look raw and ridiculous, but my hair is a mess. Obviously, this is gonna look like something else when I'm done with everything. I'll put pictures on Instagram and something. You'll see it somewhere. Okay, so we have that. For now, I don't want to like super overdo it. So, you know, just concealer, whatever. And we're going to use BHCosmetics Urban Luxe 99 color eyeshadow palette. Oh, wait.
There we go. It's backwards, but whatever. I'll put all the descriptions in the bottom of what it is that I used. I don't even know what color I want to start with. Alright, we'll just do, I know some people like to do the brow highlight later. I like to do one first and then go back to another one. So we're going to use a rather bright kind of vanilla color. We're going to go for this color right here, right there. This is way too on camera. I'm not going to do that. I'm ridiculous, guys. I'm sorry. So, we're just going to...
Hello, I'm sorry. That was my 4 o'clock alarm to take birth control pill. It'll probably go off again because for whatever reason, even though I stop it, it still likes to come back. So now I'm forced to clip these two videos together. Cool. That's cool. Okay. Bronzy. Okay. I like to do a little bit of bronze up here just to incorporate everything. Itchy. Okay. Bronzy. And again, I know we're trying to go for round face and I have fat cheeks, so it works, but I like to do a little bit down here just to blend things. I'm not gonna go super crazy with it. Okay. So just lightly, I don't want to like be super brow heavy. I don't really like super heavy brows, even though I probably should for this, but we'll do it little by little. I'd rather, nope, don't do that. I would rather have to add than be like, oh, that was too much. Oh, that does look even. We're gonna move on because I will screw them up because that's just the type of person that I am. I will beat a dead horse with my makeup, even though it looked fine. Okay. Eyebrows done, eyeshadow done, foundation done, bronzer done, blush. Let's do blush. Let's see. I'm gonna be using this lipstick, so I think we're gonna go for an equally dark. I think that would look nice. I think that matches good with that. Originally I was being silly by doing this, but it's actually nice to see what it's gonna look like with the eyeshadow. We're gonna use this. But when I'm trying to be bright and look like a bird, I don't want it to set want to be bold, and I've tried everything, you guys. I've tried primer, I've tried concealer, I have tried doing a white base, like the jumbo the jumbo pencil from NYX called Milk. Oh, I put it on my whole eyelid. Done colors on top of that. It works, it helps a little bit more, but it's more than I want. Like, more work than I want for not the correct payoff. So I quit. Huh. Not terrible. Not terrible. See? My birth control alarm went off again. I've taken it. Don't worry about it. It's gonna come back. Hopefully I'll be done before it comes back. Lips.
So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of concealer on my lips. I'm gonna cover them. I'm gonna cover them.
What if I went out like this? This one still does something weird. There's something uneven. You know what? I'm gonna leave it. I can't sit here and continue to obsess over it because, again, we talked about it. I will keep going. I think that's heart-shaped enough. And am I being weird? Is it uneven? Let me know, please, because I think I'm going crazy. That's heart-shaped enough. Moving on.
I like to try things as I go. I don't like leaving messes. What do I need? I need eyelashes. That doesn't do it. Need eyelashes and a little bit of nose contouring. So, we're just gonna use this bronzer. Normally I would actually just use contouring because I didn't have any contouring here and here. I don't want it to be so dark, so I'm literally just using, I took my finger back with that matte bronzer, and we're doing a little tiny bit, just so it's not completely ignored. That's a lot better. I also like to do this. I will take my pinky just because it's smaller and it fits really well on my cupid's bow. I guess anyway, but especially today, I will go a little bit here to make it extra cupid-y. I normally don't put that much, but because of the heart thing, just make it. And I go here a little bit.
That did not spray at me. Thanks for watching. I love all of you. This is my flapper look. Don't look at my fuzzies. Pretend it's, oh wait, I have the perfect one. Watch, watch. Bye.